Hey y'all! So we are just waiting for a taxi cab. We are going to take a taxi to the train station, and then we're going to take a night train to Koh Lanta, or somewhere in between all that, and then a ferry and another bus or something like that. So anyway, we're going to Koh Lanta. I have booked us a place. I didn't check its location, and it happens to be in the middle of the jungle, which I never wanted to visit.
But just so you know, guys, there's a road, so we're safe.
Yeah, well, the reviews were great and the place looks awesome. I'm just not a big fan of large bugs.
Scorpion?
Yeah, scorpions, snakes, large bugs. Did I say large bugs?
Yeah.
We'll see.
But at least there's a playground, so, and there's monkey stuff. There might be monkeys playing at the playground.
Oh, our cab is here. We gotta go. All right, see you guys soon.
Good afternoon. We are at the train station waiting for our train. Sorry, I'm tired, so I can't personally wait to get on the train so that I can go to bed. Just trying to kill some time here in the airport, train station, and I probably need a lot more coffee.
We got this new part of. So if we drop it in the water, it'll float because we got this little thingy.
Are you gonna snorkel?
Yes.
Okay, and I was saying earlier that I booked this hotel. Well, it's not a hotel. Like a bungalow type thing. Yep, it's in the middle of the jungle. Obviously, I didn't Google it. I just Googled places to stay in Koh Lanta, and I picked like one of the cheapest ones. And I did go from reviews. The reviews sounded good, so hopefully it's good. We won't know until tomorrow morning. Hopefully no giant jungle bugs or snakes, because
We hate that. And at least there'll be probably bug nets, so we're good.
welcome to the train. It's very old school. Scary. So what's going to happen is that this seat and this seat are going to fold down and make a bed. This is going to pull down into a bed, and Amelia and I will be sharing a bed. So we haven't started moving yet. I did visit the little girl's room. 3 things. First thing, it looks like a prison toilet. It's metal. The whole thing inside is metal. Looks a little greasy. Second, there's no toilet paper in there. So thank God for baby wipes that I brought in my bag.
I bought some.
And Ryan came prepared with toilet paper. 3, when you flush the toilet with your foot, because you have to step on the paddle, it sprays at you, at your feet. I don't know if my foot got sprayed with pee, or water, or what. There's a mystery substance on my foot, and I'm nervous. So, yeah, we're just waiting for our train to go, and we'll talk to you soon.
We're now on the train heading towards Koh Lanta, south of Bangkok. So it's a 12-hour night train, and we've got second class. It was really cheap. I don't even know if there's first class on this one, but whatever. It works for us. It's cheap and comfortable. The chairs fold down into nice, comfortable beds, and the sheets and blankets are provided. We've got curtains. We've got a dining car on board with delicious Thai food. We got snacks, toilet paper, in the event that there was no toilet paper on the train. I don't even think there's a bum gun, so you can't spray your butt.
There is.
Oh, there is a bum gun. Good. I like to spray my butt. I like that clean feeling.
That's gross.
Hey, everybody poops. These are the conversations that happen on long train rides. I think we're just gonna relax for a bit. Anyways, we just sit back and enjoy the sights. See you guys later. Good night, guys. Sequoia decided he was too scared to sleep alone, so he jumped in the bed with me. And Amelia too. Anyways, good night, guys. We'll see you when we get to the south of Thailand. Good night. Sleep well, guys.
So we're really, it's like 5 a.m. But we're almost there. Yay.
So we have no idea what's going on. The lady stuck a sticker on me. It says Koh Lanta. It's where we're going. I'm assuming we're in the right place. I apologize if it's dark. Anyways, we have an hour. And yeah, I just got some coffee. Kind of tired. Train was loud, but it was good. Yeah. Anyways, check back soon. So we're on a bus. And I have no idea if this is the right bus. They said it was. Yeah, the people that said they were going to this bus didn't get on, so I don't know. This, it's the right company, so the worst that's gonna happen is we're gonna end up somewhere else. See what happens. See you guys soon. We've gotten more stickers. Just keep sticking stickers on us. Oh, we found a cat. We found a friend.
Her name is Coconut.
Her name is Coconut. Hello, Coconut.
I named her.
Look at you. Aw, cute.
She likes to be loved. Coconutty.
Alright guys, so we made it. We made it to Koh Lanta. Sorry, I'm putting my sandals on. We're in the deep, deep jungle now. We've got our hammock. We got our bungalow. We got nice views. I think we're gonna go get some food. And the kids say they want to go to a park, but we've got rain. But it's so humid and warm out, it's okay. It's kind of nice to have a little bit of cool air.
A little bit of nature. I got it in my eye.
Bug spray. Anyways, time to grab some food. See you guys soon. So we made it to our cool little bungalow. It's called Koh Lanta, and it's on the island of Koh Lanta. We're gonna eat some food. We're all hungry. We've kind of been living off of chips and train food, which is not very good. The guy kept bringing us food that we didn't order, and we paid.
Making us pay for it.
We paid for one extra one, but then by the third time we're like, no, I don't know what you're doing, but
Oh yeah, guess what happened?
you gotta read the paper a little bit better.
The guy, he woke us up like at like midnight or something, and he's like, here's your food.
Yeah,
We didn't order anything.
We didn't know
friendly
that.
guy. He's really cool. Anyways, we'll check back when our food is here. See you guys soon.
So I got this
Pancake.
pancake. Sorry. And so it's really, really good. I'm allergic to cats. I am not allergic to cats. Anyway, this is what it looks like.
Banana pancakes. We're on the banana pancake trail.
And I?
Google it if you don't know what it is. Right? Right. Okay, I want to eat it. It's my food.
A banana crepe.